Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2016 GMC Yukon? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 GMC Yukon controls and protects circuits for essential systems such as the engine, transmission, cooling fans, and fuel system. It safeguards these components from electrical overloads and ensures dependable vehicle performance. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2016 GMC Yukon distributes and protects power for passenger side interior features, including power outlets, lighting, and electronic modules, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2016 GMC Yukon provides and protects power for driver side interior systems such as controls, lighting, and convenience features, ensuring reliable and safe functionality. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2016 GMC Yukon supplies and safeguards power to rear electrical systems, such as the rear climate control, heated seats, and accessory outlets, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.